How to create and send a newsletter on Beehiiv. Step 1. Once you're logged into Beehiiv, head over to your dashboard. From the sidebar, click Post. This is where you'll create your newsletter, then hit the New Post button in the top right corner. Step 2. You'll now be in the editor. Start by entering a title and a subtitle, then write your newsletter in the main body. You can format text, insert images, links, and even embed tweets or videos. If you are in rush, you can use one of Beehiiv's built-in templates to speed things up. Step 3. Next, click on the Settings tab at the top. Choose your audience segment, add tags if needed, and select whether it should be public or subscribers only. You can also add a custom URL slug and adjust SEO if needed. Step 4. Click the Continue button on the top right. You'll now see a preview of how your email looks. Double check everything, and when you are happy, hit Send Now or schedule it for later. And that's it.